यस मैम, जूट
यस,
भी कंप्लीट हो
दैट्स वन।
गया है।
जी।
जूट से
आपको?
कुछ आता है
जूट
वो।
भी कंप्लीट हो गया है।
ओके। पिछला जो किया है वो याद है। व्हाट
क्या
इज
रीड
गिनिंग?
करूं?
कैन एनीबडी? Ahad Dolia, please answer me first. What is ginning?
मैं आपकी आवाज कट रही है।
Please answer
गिनिंग
me
क्या
what.
है मतलब?
Yes, yes, yes. Come on, answer me what is ginning.
Fibers are separated from the seeds by combining. This process is called ginning.
Okay,
हेलो।
very good. Hassan Kapasi,
यस मैम।
what is ginning, beta?
यस मैम। मैम फ्रॉम कॉटन we out from cotton we out separated seeds,
Mm,
and
Hello,
cotton
ma'am.
yes.
is called ginning. And ma'am, ginning of cotton, ma'am, and ginning happened with hands in old
Yeah,
time, but now
all
it
times.
does by machine.
Very good. Can you name some natural fibers, Ahad Dolia? Name some natural fibers, beta. Ahad, name some natural fibers.
यस मैम।
हाँ बेटा बोलो. Are you going to take the whole day to answer the question, Ahad?
ओके मैम, कहाँ से करना है?
Just name some natural fibers, beta.
आपकी आवाज कट रही है।
Name some natural fibers. Hassan Kapasi, can you name some natural fibers?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Natural fibers, ma'am. Silk,
Okay, silk then.
yarn.
Yarn is not the correct answer, beta.
Yarn is not. Mm.
Shafiq Paryani, can you try answering?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what answering?
Can you name some natural fibers?
Natural.
First of all, what is natural fibers? Natural fibers are
Ma'am,
the fibers that we obtain from plants and
बोलो
animals,
तुम।
correct? So what can natural fibers be? अब भूल कैसे जाते हो ये? हमने पिछली बार तो किया था.
Ma'am,
क्यों
ma'am,
भूल गए?
कैसे?
Natural fibers are cotton and jute, which we obtain from plants, and wool and silk, which we obtain from sheep and goat. And silk is obtained from silkworm, correct? Those are natural
Yes.
fibers. And the fibers that are not obtained from plants and animals are called synthetic fibers. They are not obtained from any plant or animal source. Okay, so they are synthetic fibers. Then we had studied cotton. Cotton कहाँ grow होता है? Where is cotton grown?
Ma'am,
Yes.
warm climate
Your voice is cutting, but I
and
cannot hear you. Your voice
black
is
soil.
breaking. You're sounding like a guitar. Yes, your answer was right. I heard black.
Ma'am, now can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Black soil and warm climate.
Very good. Sorry. Cotton is grown in black soil and warm climate. Now, how is jute grown? Can anybody answer that? Shafiq, why are you not talking today? Shafiq,
Ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ जी.
ma'am.
Why are you not talking today?
But ma'am,
आप बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो?
किसके साथ करो?
मैं पूछ रही हूँ, मेरे साथ कर रहे हैं ना सब बात, तो मेरे साथ ही।
मैम मैं नाश्ता कर रहा हूँ इसलिए।
हाँ बेटा,
नाश्ता करता हूँ अभी।
तो साथ साथ जवाब तो दो।
ओके मैम।
टेल मी, हाउ इज जूट ग्रोन?
व्हाट मैम?
जूट कैसे ग्रो होता है?
Yes.
रेनी सीजन।
Okay, it is grown during rainy season, and what happens that the jute plant is normally harvested when it has reached the flowering stage. जब flowers jute plant में आना शुरू हो जाता है, तब उसको harvest करना चाहिए। ठीक है, फिर कैसा करते हैं हम लोग? कि स्टेम होता है जो जूट का स्टेम, ओके, we
Yes.
immerse the stem in water for a few days, and then when the stem is rotten, okay, then the fibers can be separated by hand. Is that clear, everybody?
Ma'am,
Yes ma'am.
impressed means no water, no, not
So,
given water.
sorry beta, what are you saying?
Ma'am, here you tell that in stem in jute plant
Hmm.
we not immersed in water.
Immerse मतलब उसको स्टेम को डुबा देना चाहिए वाटर में।
दो बार?
डुबा डुबा डुबा।
ओके मैम।
We have to put the stem in the water for a few days, और फिर stem क्या रॉट हो जाएगी, वो सड़ जाएगी अंदर वाटर में, तो फिर हम stems के फाइबर को हाथ से अलग कर सकते हैं। ओके,
ओके मैम। ओके।
लेट्स मूव ऑन टू cotton spinning cotton yarn. Dholia, you wanted to read activity 4, right?
Ma'am,
Dholia, you wanted to read? Not there?
he is not
Ma'am
there.
can I read?
Nakvi
Ma'am, can I
Hassan.
listen? Ma'am, Papa says also.
Ma'am
Wait, wait,
I
wait.
am reading. Ma'am but
Kapasi
from
Hassan,
activity
wait,
4
huh?
we have to read. Ma'am
Yes,
Nakvi
beta.
Ragi Vasan here.
Yes, beta.
What ma'am?
Hassan Kapasi, I'll let you read, okay? Yes, Nakvi Hassan, you have to read activity 4.
Okay ma'am. Hold some cotton wool in one hand. Pinch some cotton between the thumb and forefinger of the other hand. Now generally start pulling out the cotton while continuously twisting the fibers. Are you able to make a yarn? The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. In the processes, in these processes, fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. A simple device used for spinning is a hand spindle, also called takli. Another hand-operated device used for spinning is charkha. Use Use of charkha was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as part of the independence movement. He encouraged people to wear clothes made by homespun
Yarn.
yarn and shun imported cloth made in the mills of Britain. Spinning of yarn on a large scale is done with the help of spinning machines. After spinning, yarns are used for making fabrics.
Very good, Hassan. Okay, so what you have to do is we have to spin cotton yarn. Spinning of cotton yarn we are supposed to learn. What you have to do, you have to take some cotton in your hand. You have to pinch the cotton with your thumb and the forefinger. Do you know which is the forefinger and your thumb?
Yes.
This is your forefinger and this is
Hmm.
your thumb, okay?
Okay.
Thumb and forefinger. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to hold the cotton in one hand and you have to gently start pulling the cotton away from one another. And while you are pulling the cotton, you have to keep twisting it. Do you know what is twisting? उसको गोल गोल घुमाते रहना है. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. मैम या फिर गोल गोल घुमाना या फिर दबाना.
Yes, very good. Okay, and you are able to make yarn like this. You will make yarn by doing this process. Now, what is called spinning? The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. You have to remember this, and this is very important. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. What you have to do in this process, fibers from the mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted, and what will this do? It will bring the fibers together to form a yarn. It is going to bring the fibers together to form a yarn. Now there is a simple device which is used for spinning. Spinning can be done with the help of hand also. It can be done with the help of hand spindle also, which is called takli, and another hand operated device used for spinning is called charkha. Usually we use charkha nowadays. Sorry, nowadays we use the machines. Charkha was used earlier during the times of Gandhiji. Okay, so this is the way we made the yarn by spinning. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? This is
Ma'am,
called charkha. हाँ
charkha.
बेटा. हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, the hand of tugly means what?
हैंड स्पिंडल एक डिवाइस आता है, उससे भी आप स्पिनिंग कर सकते हो. सी वी कैन डू इट विथ हैंड्स आल्सो. दिस गाय इज डूइंग विथ द हैंड. दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड स्पिनिंग. इट कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ हैंड स्पिंडल आल्सो, व्हिच इज कॉल्ड टकली. टकली का पिक्चर नहीं दिया हुआ है, बट चरखा का पिक्चर दिया है, देखा. और
Yes.
द यूज ऑफ चरखा, usually it was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi popularized the use of charkha. Okay, what did he do? He started this use and popularized the use of charkha in the independence movement. Why? Because he started encouraging peoples to wear clothes made by Indians. Okay, and he said that we should ban all the clothes which are made in the mills of Britain. Shan matlab ban.
British.
और इम्पोर्टेड क्लोथ्स मतलब ब्रिटेन से जो क्लोथ्स आते थे इंडिया में, वो पहनने के लिए ना बोला था कि वी शुड नॉट वेयर दीज क्लोथ्स एंड वी शुड बैन British clothes and start making our own Indian clothes. Okay, so he started making fabrics or yarn in charka. Okay, इससे सिर्फ yarn बनता है. क्या बनता है?
Yarn.
Yarn. Okay,
मैम,
then yes बेटा.
मैम जो आदमी ने जो पकड़ा रखा है वो यान है जो बना रहा है.
वो कॉटन है. देखो ये है ना, वो एक्चुअली कॉटन है. फिर हमने जो बात नहीं की कि कॉटन को पुल करते करते ट्विस्ट करते जाएंगे हम,
Yes.
उससे उसने बनाया yarn. It is actually cotton, but he made yarn out of cotton. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay. So first there were, see, first of all there were these fibers. Okay, there were these fibers of cotton. ठीक है. फिर इस फाइबर्स को मिला मिला के फिर स्पिनिंग करते करते what did we make? We made a
Clothes.
yarn.
Yes. Yes.
We made a yarn. Okay, yarn is made now. Okay, then we gathered a lot of yarn. We gathered it together, and what did we make? We made a
Clothes.
fabric.
Fabric.
Okay, we made a fabric. All right. What is this? This is
Fabric.
fiber. This
Yes.
first one is fiber. Then this is yarn. How did we make yarn?
From cotton.
By spinning the
Yes.
fibers, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Then from yarn, we made fabric,
Fabric.
correct? How did we make fabric? By
Yarn.
weaving the yarn. How did we make fabric?
Weaving
By
the yarn. Weaving the yarn.
weaving the yarn, correct. Okay, so what is weaving? Have you understood this? ये
No.
पूरा concept समझ में आ गया कि हमने क्या किया है यहाँ पे?
Ma'am, first we take cotton
First we took
and then
cotton,
yarn.
then there were fibers in the cotton. Then we started
Oh,
spinning the fibers together to make yarn. फिर
yarn.
वो थ्रेड है वो थोड़ा मोटा हो गया है yarn फाइबर्स को ज्वाइन करते करते. फिर बहुत
Hmm.
सारे yarns को लेके हमने एक फैब्रिक बना दिया. कैसे बनाया? वीविंग करते करते. ठीक है.
Weaving.
We started
Okay.
weaving our yarn together to make the fabric. Correct?
Okay,
Understood?
ma'am.
Now, what happened? We are going to make yarn to fabric. So there are many ways to make fabric from yarns. Okay, one is called weaving, and the other method is called knitting. So let's study weaving first. What is weaving? The process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving. What is weaving? When you take two yarns and put it together to make fabric is called weaving. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understood?
Mm.
When you take two yarns and put it together, or you take four yarns and put it together to make a fabric is called weaving. Okay, the
Mm.
process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move on to activity 5. I'll just explain you what happens in activity 5. So you have to take two sheets of paper of different colors. Okay, one this paper and this paper. You can take two different sheets of paper of different colors. Okay, then you have to draw lines on it. Can you see the lines drawn on this paper?
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in the first paper, the lines are drawn end to end. Correct.
Yes.
And in the second paper, the lines are not drawn end to end. है
Yes.
ना? So you
Yes.
have to cut on these lines. You have to cut it with scissors on these lines. So this paper you are not going to cut fully, but this paper you are going to break into pieces. You are going to cut it fully, correct?
Ma'am, means
Yes or no? हाँ बेटा.
the line से उसको कट करना है.
हाँ, लाइंस के ऊपर आपको सीजर्स चलानी है. तो यहाँ आके सीजर्स आपके रुक जानी चाहिए ये पेपर पे. यहाँ आके सीजर्स रुक जानी चाहिए. और ये तो पूरा का पूरा कट कर देना है. ठीक है आपको?
Okay, ma'am.
अंडरस्टूड? फिर क्या करना है? फिर ये जो स्ट्रिप्स है ना, ये स्ट्रिप्स आपको मिल जाएगी पेपर की.
Hmm.
दूसरे पेपर की ये ऐसी स्ट्रिप्स मिल जाएगी ना आपको.
Yes.
उसको इस पेपर के अंदर आपको अरेंज करना है, वीव करना है. देखो ऐसे आ जाएगा ये आपको वीविंग.
Ma'am, means first we cut the paper lines and then we take
यस.
one paper.
यस, देन यू हैव टू टेक द स्ट्रिप्स ऑफ द पेपर. ये सारे पेपर की स्ट्रिप्स लेनी है. इस पेपर की सारी स्ट्रिप्स लेके इस पेपर के अंदर वीविंग करना है. मतलब उसको एक के ऊपर एक डाल के अरेंज करना है. देखो ऐसे.
Oh, okay. मीन्स
अंडरस्टूड?
ए वाला पेपर है वो पूरा कट कर देना है और बी वाला
यस.
4 और फिर
बी वाला
दोनों में
बी वाला
बी
पेपर है
वाला.
वो यहाँ तक ही कट करना है. आगे
हाँ,
सीजर्स
yes.
नहीं चलानी है.
ओके.
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 फिर मैं आपको वीडियो भेज दूंगी और ये चीज आपको आज होमवर्क में करनी है. ठीक है? आप दो शीट्स लेंगे अलग अलग कलर के और ऐसे वीविंग करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड?
मैम
हाँ बेटा.
मैम आप भेज तो दोगे ना इसका वीडियो?
हाँ मैं भेजूंगी.
मैम
मुझे
हेलो
मिलेगा
मैम.
तो मैं भेज. हाँ बेटा.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ हाँ बेटा बोलो.
मैम क्या किसका वीडियो?
ये प्रोजेक्ट का, ये एक्सपेरिमेंट का.
मैम वो कौन सी एक्सपेरिमेंट है?
वीविंग.
तो मैम आप इसका वीडियो
ओके, यू हैव टू
पर्सनल नंबर
लर्न.
में भेजेंगे कि ग्रुप में भेजेंगे?
ग्रुप में. Okay. So this is how you are supposed to weave your fabric. सिमिलर इन द सिमिलर मैनर, जैसे हमने पेपर को वीव किया था, वैसे ही इफ यू वीव टू सेट्स ऑफ yarns it becomes a fabric. Okay, the yarns which, see the paper are this thick है ना, ये पेपर स्ट्रिप है अपनी, पर ये
Yes.
थ्रेड कैसा होता है, थ्रेड इज वेरी थिन. So you have to take these two threads of threads and you have to weave it like this. कैसे weave करोगे, देखो, these are the yarns. Okay, then you have to take another yarn of another color and you have to start weaving it like this. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understood?
Yes.
So what is it called, it is called weaving. Okay, and it is either the weaving of the fabric is done on looms, or the looms are either hand operated or it is power operated. Can you see the hand loom here? This is the hand loom. Okay, this lady is weaving the yarns into make a fabric with the help of her hand. And machine से भी operate होते हैं yarns, वो भी अभी आने लगे हैं. So we have already studied weaving. Which concepts did we study till now? We studied spinning,
Yes. Spinning, then ginning, ma'am.
ginning, yes. Then
Then weaving. Now weaving.
weaving, right? And now we are supposed to study
Knitting. Knitting.
knitting. Knitting क्या होता है? What is knitting? The the sweaters which are made, which we wear in the winter, are made with the help of knitting. Okay, वो एक सिंगल यार्न से, एक बहुत बड़ा धागा होता है सिंगल यार्न, जो वो कॉटन का वूल आता है ना, वो
Yes,
जिसमें
ma'am.
बहुत लंबा धागा होता है, यार्न होता है, वाई वो, इट इज नथिंग बट अ बॉल ऑफ यार्न. ओके, तो एक लंबी यार्न से पूरा स्वेटर बन जाता है, and it is made like this, which is shown in figure 3.14. And one single piece of yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. So have you ever pulled the yarn from the torn pair of socks in your socks? अगर सॉक्स कभी फट गए तो आपने यार्न को पुल किया है, यू विल सी दैट पूरा सॉक है वो एक ही यार्न में खुल जाएगा, आप अगर उसको पुल करते रहेंगे तो. एंड सॉक्स ऑफ मेनी अदर क्लोथिंग items are made, socks and many other clothing items are made of knitted fabrics. Knitting is done by hand and it is also done in machines. Knitting हम hand से भी कर सकते हैं और machine से भी कर सकते हैं.
मैम,
Okay? हाँ जी.
knitting means जो वो बॉल है उसका हम गूंथते हैं, मीन्स दैट
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो
वही
बॉल होता
ना.
है ना, वुलन बॉल, जिससे हम
यस.
स्वेटर या कुछ और बनाते हैं.
यस.
Okay, उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. Then here Paheli wants to know if you have seen any fabric that are made of fibers on the outer covering of coconut. देखा है फाइबर्स, देखे कोकोनट के आउटर कवरिंग पे? Do you know any fabric which is made of cotton? We have not seen, but we are going to Google it today. Okay, let's Google this and we will discuss in the next lecture. Okay.
ओके मैम.
मैं भी गूगल करूंगी, आप भी गूगल करना, फिर हम हमारे व्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
Okay, so weaving and knitting are used for making different kind of fabrics. We use weaving and knitting to make different kinds of fabric. Now the last topic is left and let's complete that in 15 minutes, and then we will be completing our chapter 3 and I will send you the exercise of chapter 3 as well. Okay,
ओके मैम.
who wants to read?
मैम असन कपासी.
Yes, it's in Kapasi.
यस मैम. 3.6 History of clothing material. Have you ever wondered what materials people used in ancient time for clothes? It appears that in those times people used the bark and big leaves of trees or animal skin and furs to cover themselves. After people began to settle in agriculture communities, they learned to twigs, twigs and grass into mats and baskets. Venus animal fleecy or hair were twisted together into long strands. These were woven into fabrics. The early Indians were fabrics made out of cotton that grew in the regions near the river Ganga. Flax near Ganga flax then yes
Flax
near
is
Ganga
also.
flax. Yes, flax is also a plant that gives natural fibers. In ancient Egypt, cotton as well as flax were cultivated near the river Nile, and were used for making fabrics. In those days, stitching was not known. People simply wrapped the fabrics around different parts of their bodies. Many different ways of wrapping fabrics were used. With the invention of the sewing needle, people started stitching fabrics to make clothes. Stitched clothes have gone through many variations since this invention. This invention, but is it not amazing that even today sari, dhoti, lungi or turban is used as an unstitched piece of fabric. Just as there is a large variety in the food eaten all over our country, a large variety exists also in fabrics and clothing items.
Yes. So history of clothing material में क्या दिया गया हुआ है? It is, have you ever wondered what materials people use in ancient times for clothes? तो ancient times में जब fabric नहीं हुआ करते थे, natural fibers और synthetic fibers भी present नहीं थे, तो what were people wearing? They were wearing barks and big leaves. Okay, what were they wearing? They used to wear the bark of the trees and big leaves of trees to cover themselves. Okay, and they also
Yes,
used animal skin as well as furs. वो animal की skin निकाल के पहनते थे, if you remember, जो पुराने आदिवासी ancient people थे वो लोग.
ma'am, that
हाँ
come
बेटा.
in our social that they were trees, leaves, and skin of animal.
Yes, yes, exactly. So then, after some decades or after a few years passed, they started to settle in agricultural communities. वो लोग agriculture में आने लगे. They started to come in agricultural communities. मतलब they started knowing something about agriculture. So then they knew how to weave twigs and grasses to make mats and baskets. They knew कि वो जो पेड़ पौधे है उसकी जो स्टेम होती है उसको हम कैसे वीव करके बास्केट्स और मैट्स बना सकते हैं. दे स्टार्टेड नोइंग इट. Then what they did, they started taking vines and animal fleece. What is animal fleece? जो sheep पे जो wool होता है ना उसको fleece कहते हैं. It is called the fleece of the sheep. Okay, and the hair of animals were twisted together into a long strand. मतलब they were making yarns out of it, yarns out of the hair of animals, and they started weaving those yarns into fabric. Okay, and they made fabrics of cotton that grew near the river Ganga. Then they started growing cotton, और कॉटन में से जो फैब्रिक्स निकल फाइबर्स निकलते थे उसका यार्न बनाते थे, फिर उस यार्न का बनाते थे वो लोग फैब्रिक. ठीक है. फिर एक ऐसा प्लांट था फ्लैक्स नाम का. फ्लैक्स इज ऑल्सो अ प्लांट दैट गिव्स नेचुरल फाइबर्स. जैसे कॉटन है, जूट है, वैसे एक और प्लांट है जिसको हम फ्लैक्स बोलते हैं. Okay, so flax also used to give, it is a plant that used to give natural fibers. So in ancient Egypt, cotton as well as flax, cotton and as well as flax were cultivated near the river नाइल. नाइल रिवर है वहाँ पे फ्लैक्स और कॉटन है, उसको कल्टीवेट करना उसने स्टार्ट कर दिया. एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग फैब्रिक आउट ऑफ कॉटन and flax. Okay, in those days stitching was not known. तो तब लोगों को स्टिच करना, क्लोथ्स को स्टिच करना नहीं आता था. सिर्फ only they knew that how to make fiber. So what they did, they wrapped those fibers around their body. Drape matlab they started wrapping those fibers around their body, sorry, fabrics around their body parts to cover their body parts. And there were different ways of draping fabrics also. Then what happened with the invention of sewing needle? Then sewing needle was invented. मतलब सोई invented કરવામાં આવી. Soy was invented, and people started stitching fabrics to make clothes. Then they started stitching the fabrics to make the clothes. Okay, stitched clothes have gone through many variations since the invention. Stitching went through many variations. Now we have started stitching different types of clothes. Okay, but even today there are many clothes which are not stitched. That is, sari. We do not stitch sari. We wear it as a whole fabric. We do not stitch dhoti. We wear it as a whole fabric. Lungi and turban is also not stitched. We wear it as a whole fabric. Okay. Then, just as there is a large variety of food, food बहुत है, वेराइटीज है फूड में, वैसे ही फैब्रिक्स की बहुत सारी वेराइटी है और क्लोथिंग आइटम्स की बहुत सारी वेराइटीज है. ठीक है. इज इट अंडरस्टूड एवरीबॉडी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एनी डाउट्स?
No, ma'am.
Tomorrow we are going to study the keywords and I will make you do the exercises also. I will also send you the PDF, but हम कल लिखेंगे. Okay, if I have a lecture in your class, we are going to write the
Okay.
exercise in the class itself. Okay.
Okay. मैम आज नहीं भेजोगे?
I will think about it. If I send it, you have to write. If I don't send it, you don't have to write.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
surely I'm going to send you the video of weaving. You want to do weaving, right, today?
Okay, ma'am.
वीविंग करना है ना आज?
Okay.
ओके, एनी डाउट्स बेटा?
No,
ये
ma'am. No
चैप्टर में
doubt.
कोई डाउट्स है?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
श्योर?
No,
अगर मैं
ma'am.
टेस्ट लूँ तो आपको आएगा?
Yes, ma'am.
ओरल टेस्ट लूँ तो आप करोगे?
हाँ, ma'am.
पक्का?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सो एनीथिंग एल्स यू वांट टू से?
No, ma'am.
कैन यू नेम सम नेचुरल फाइबर्स? हसन नकवी.
Yes, ma'am.